Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable and adjust settings of hit marker in Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. Go to settings, then controls, then interface, and here is hit marker. You can disable or enable it, and when it's enabled you can choose hit marker size. You can set it to large, normal, small or extra small, and you can also adjust hit marker transparency. You can set it to any value between 0.0 to 1.0. Then click here to go back and click anywhere on the screen to exit settings. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.